Hello everyone. In today's video, we will continue the discussion on the division of labor in capitalist society by Emile Durkheim. Emile Durkheim basically distinguished between the division of labor in the traditional society and the division of labor in the modern capitalist society. And he also reacted the criticism over the division of labor in capitalist society. And for that, he again conceptualized the capitalist society as pathological and healthy. That is, he differentiated a society into pathological and the healthy. With these two concepts, he tried to understand the division of labor in the modern capitalist society. So let's discuss about the difference of the division of labor in the traditional society and modern capitalist society. The modern capitalist society having the division of labor which is considered as rational. That is, division of labor is based on the rational means and relationship, and the division of labor in the traditional society was based on common norms or shared cultural values. For example, the gender division of labor. And in the traditional society, the division of labor was basically based on the gender. That is, the women were looking after the domestic activities and the men used to carry out the hunting and gathering. But modern capitalist society is characterized by organic solidarity, and this organic solidarity have led to a different type of division of labor, and this type of division of labor is based on rational means and a relationship. That is, the division of labor exists on the basis of individuals' qualification, the specialization in a particular area. The person who is best able to perform a task will be assigned. But what was there in the traditional society? For example, caste. Caste-based division of labor was existed in Indian society in traditional period. So the division of labor in the caste system was basically hereditary. So if we see the opposite of this traditional division of labor, the modern society offers the works and tasks to a person who is best able to perform. So that means person's qualification and specialization is very important. And this division of labor is also not static in the modern capitalist society. It is gradually progressing, it is gradually developing. There is more, the specializations are coming up, the more division of labor is becoming intense. So they may reinforce each other. There is division of labor is developing, which is creating the more specialization, or we can say the more specialized areas is leading more intense division of labor in the society. Now, what Durkheim said about the division of labor in capitalist society, whether it is healthy or pathological, he said that there may be a pathological division of labor, but the division of labor itself is not pathological. There may be a pathological version of the division of labor. And Emile Durkheim has mentioned about the pathological and healthy state of condition of the society. So what made the society pathological? That is the abnormal division of labor. So he again differentiated division of labor into normal and abnormal. So according to him, abnormal division of labor can lead to a pathological society or pathological division of labor, which actually harmful for the society. He identified three forms of the abnormal division of labor: the anomic division of labor, the forced division of labor, and poorly coordinated division of labor. Anomic division of labor means a division of labor which is normless. That means the poor rules and regulations, poor norms that regulates the division of labor. Anomic division of labor means the absence of proper rules, norms and regulations for maintaining an effective division of labor. So according to Durkheim, this anomic division of labor is abnormal. It is pathological, harmful for the society. Second type of division of labor is the forced division of labor. Forced division of labor, according to him, is the division of labor that is made as compulsion. That is, individual is compelled to do a particular form of division of labor. So in this type of division of labor, there may be a traditional practices involved. There may be the influence of the caste tradition. There may be the influence of the patriarchal practices and traditions, and many more. So when the division of labor is not based on the proper rational means and relationship, and it is determined by some traditional practices, becomes the forced division of labor. Forced division of labor means the division of labor that is imposed or compelled over the individuals or the members of the society. The division of labor in the modern society may involve some traditional practices, norms and values. Forced division of labor in the modern society means the involvement of some traditions, some traditional practices in the division of labor in the modern capitalist society. For example, the influence of the caste or the patriarchy may dilute the division of labor in the capitalist society. And according to Durkheim, if any other traditions, any other practices, if any other social norms that regulate the division of labor in modern society that goes towards the abnormality, that means this kind of division of labor becomes abnormal and which is pathological to the society. Now, third important abnormal type of division of labor according to Durkheim is the poorly coordinated division of labor. So what does it mean? It means that when the division of labor among the specialized persons and individuals in the modern capitalist society is not properly regulated. For example, the specialized persons associated with different positions are not properly interdependent, are not properly cooperated. So lack of coordination and cooperation among the specialized persons may lead to poor result, poor output. So this can be considered as the poorly coordinated the division of labor, and that according to Durkheim is the abnormal, which causes the pathological state of condition of the society. So in this discussion, what we found is that division of labor is functional unless and until it is not leading to a pathological state of condition. So division of labor which is actually contributing in the maintenance of social order, social integrations. To avoid the pathological state of conditions, the modern capitalist society has to eliminate the abnormal division of labor from the society.